Sorting list based on values from another list. I have a list of strings like this. What is the shortest way of sorting X using values from Y to get the following output? The order of the elements having the same key does not matter. I can resort to the use of for constructs, but I am curious if there is a shorter way. Any suggestions?
Shortest code. Example. Generally speaking. Explained. Zip the two lists, create a new, sorted list based on the zip using sorted. Using a list comprehension, extract the first elements of each pair from the sorted, zipped list. For more information on how to set / use the key parameter as well as the sorted function in general, take a look at this.
Zip the two lists together, sort it, then take the parts you want. Combine these together to get.
Also, if you don't mind using NumPy arrays, or in fact already are dealing with NumPy arrays, here is another nice solution. I found it here, this URL.
The most obvious solution to me is to use the key keyword arg. Note that you can shorten this to a one-liner if you care to. As Wenman Mu and Jack Peng have pointed out, this assumes that the values in X are all distinct. That's easily managed with an indexed list. Since the decorate sort undecorate approach described by Wedding is a little simpler and works in all cases, it's probably better most of the time. This is a very old answer.
This